Want to get access to the most powerful indicator out there? Well, I want to introduce you guys to a company called Woodsbot. This company revolves around building trading tools, indicators, and AI bots for traders just like you. First, I want to show you guys how to get access to the indicator itself, and then show you guys how to customize all of the tools at your guys' disposal. So first things first, you want to head over to the Woodsbot Discord. This is going to basically show you guys how to get access. You're going to want to head over to full access. Now, how to get access to the indicator itself, you're going to want silver tier. You're going to go down the basic steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. Really simple, very quick. We will then open up the Discord so that you guys can see all of these channels. Now, the main channel that you want to be looking for is indicator access. You're going to click on indicator access, click on get access. The TradingView access request form will open up, and all you have to do is enter in your TradingView username. Once you have done that, you're going to click submit. Then our team will grant you access, again, very quickly. You're going to head on over to TradingView. Now, when you get into TradingView, you're going to want to click on the indicators. You're going to want to go down to invite only, and then you will have been granted access to 3 indicators itself: the Woodsbot OBV, the Woodsbot Premium, and the Woodsbot RSI. Now, in today's video, we're going to be breaking down the Woodsbot Premium as well as the Woodsbot RSI. So you're going to click on the Woodsbot Premium and the Woodsbot RSI here. Now your trading view is going to look something like this. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the indicator itself up here on the top left-hand corner. You're going to go to settings. You're going to go to inputs, and you can see all of the customizations that you guys have. Now this indicator has so many tools built into it. It's not just one, it's multiple tools for traders like you. So you have the level setting. You can change your line color. You have show levels, show labels, show timeframes and labels. I personally have those checked off. I like having everything lined up. This is where it shows the 4-hour, the weekly, the 3-day, that sort of thing. You can customize the short or long format, label background color, label text color, label size, tiny, and offset of bars. Now the offset of bars is basically how close you want these labels to be on your chart. So I have mine set at 10, but you can have it at 20. And as you can see, this will shift. Keep the show high time frame levels, unified levels, daily levels, 3-day levels, weekly levels. Now, when it comes to confluence zone, this is very, very important, guys. You want to have show confluence zones always on the confluence only. This will clean up the charts a little bit. As you can see, once I toggle this setting off, more levels line up on the chart. But having the confluence only on is very high time frame, high probable support and resistance levels. Regular confidence, high confidence, and very high confidence. You can change these and play around with them. These are my settings personally. This is what I have found more favorable for me as a trader. We also have the Monday range trading tool built in here. This is going to show the Monday highs, the Monday lows. Again, depending on what kind of trader you are, if you trade Monday range, you can toggle those on and off. As you can see here, I just toggled it off. Now you don't have it on there. Open levels, this is where it shows you daily open, monthly open, and yearly open. For today's video, I'm just gonna toggle those off, kind of clean up my chart a little bit. Again, it depends on what kind of trader you are and what kind of tools that you like. Fully customizable here for the daily, monthly, and yearly open too. You have open level color, open level label, and open label background. Chart info details. You can toggle these on and off too, depending on if you want to show support. And it just basically tells you Woodsbot Premium, the exchange that you're trading on, the pair that you're trading on. And in this case, I'm looking at ETH on the 4-hour time frame. Now, divergence setting. I love this feature of the indicator itself because I trade divergences, mainly RSI, but we also have OBV in there for the OBV traders. Now you have show number of candles. Now you can change the maximum bars to check to your needs. I personally keep mine at the indicator standard or the indicator setting, which is 32. Show number of candles, show only last divergences, wait for confirmation. This will only toggle the RSI to pop up on your chart if it is confirmed. Show divergence lines, RSI relative strength index, OBV. You can toggle show only overbought, oversold RSI divergences, which I always have on because again, I trade RSI mainly. Fully customizable colors. You can change this line style. I have mine at dotted, but you can choose solid, dashed, or dotted. The line width itself, label font size, Coinbase Premium, this will pop up on your BTC charts. This is another tool that you can use and it will show the Coinbase discount in negatives or positives if you are a Coinbase Premium trader. Again, fully customizable. You can change the font size, the color, box positioning. I have mine bottom right, but you can see here that you have so many other options. economic events. Now, this is something that we have worked on tirelessly. We wanted our traders to be alerted when there are economic events on the horizon. As you can see here, we have FOMC, CPI, PPI, and they pop up on your charts automatically. You can see that we have FOMC coming up. Again, I love having that feature on TradingView because sometimes you miss these type of economic events, and these economic events, they cause volatility. So I want to be prepared. I want to be ready at the battle station for when these events happen. So now let's go into the chart after we fully customize the indicator itself. You can see too that we have the RSI divergences popping up here. We also have the RSI divergences popping up on the Woodsbot RSI indicator, which we'll get into further. You have support and resistance lines. Now, what I like to do is I like to set alerts at every single support and resistance. So again, when I'm alerted when we're coming into high confluence zones. Now let's get into the Woodsbot RSI indicator. Again, one of my personal favorites. These are my settings. I have show divergence lines, show only overbought, oversold RSI divergences. Now this basically means that your RSI bullish or bearish divergences are gonna only pop up in the oversold or overbought region. Again, a very good tool to have in your arsenal so that you're prepared for market reversals. The Woodsbot Premium Indicator is the Swiss Army knife of TradingView indicators. We have economic events, we have Monday range, we have yearly open, daily open, monthly open, we have RSI oversold and overbought divergences that you can fully customize, as well as support and resistance. If you want to use this indicator, guys, head on over to our Discord or our Twitter, where you can find information on how to get access. Again, 3 simple steps to get this indicator. If you want to trade like a pro, join Woodsbot today.